Hey everybody, it's me, Angel from this week's team on my channel is Answer the Question. So let's get started. For the first question is who is my crush? So my crush is Cheta Chia is from grade 6 and she's so handsome. So that's the question. Number 2 question is what is your favorite magazine? So my favorite magazine is Total Girl. I would collect Total Girl, Elements 9. If there's an issue of April now, I buy it. So, like it. 3 is what is your favorite perfume? My favorite perfume is So in Love Like Bench. Smells good. And before I get a manicure, yes, it's just light because my mom will scold me. It is cinnamon. Number 5, what is my like color? So in lipstick, my favorite is hot pink, but hot pink, I will buy hot pink maybe tomorrow, today. Red, violet, black, and this one. This. I like this color. It feels light pink. It's like cherry. And cherry too. Next is who is my favorite in 7 Perfect Angels? My favorite in 7 Perfect Angels is Mimi. Because Mimi is so fun. Like my brothers, my mother. What is my favorite stuff? My favorite stuff is Fluffy. Like this. I feel so big. So fluffy. I like this. I'm gonna die. So, next is if I had a cousin is celebrity or not. I had a cousin is celebrity. It's Ruan Malangit. She had a nice voice and she go in some contests and she win. Next is what do I do when I'm bored? So I do just make videos, look at videos of Heather, Insect of Angels, Mimi, Leah, and Anna. So my friends requested me to see how I lipstick. So I will do the Chinese lipstick and I don't know how to do it. I will test it. This. Just put like that. Don't need. Okay. So, last but not the least is, do you ever have your leg or arms being bone is cracked? Yes, I experienced in February. It's not February 15, I don't know. Because of the shoes of my friend, because we're exchanging shoes when it was so not fit to me. My leg is doing like that. So ouchy. It's so like ouch. So thanks for watching my video this week on my channel. So here's your shout out from my friends. Angel Janine. Shout outs. Nina Marcel Susco. Rowella Bianca Y. Remanesas. Jobel Guadirino. Marian Eloise. Emal Pame Pacifico. Thanks for your questions. Bye!